The advantages of Hiniker design start the minute you hook up the plow. The Hiniker Quick Hitch system is one plow mounting system that truly lives up to its name. Just drive the truck-mounted forks into the self-aligning receivers, pull and pin the single locking lever, raise the jack stand, and plug in the electrical connections. Then pick up the plow and go to work. Conventional plows. Hiniker's straight blade plows combine the features, strength, and performance you need to convenient control with the Hiniker compact joystick control, and the capacity and durability you need as a professional plower. The homeowner plow is designed for light half-ton trucks, such as the Dodge Dakota and 1500, and the light-duty versions of the GM 1500 and Ford F-150.